grab his car. He's a guest there. We're paying guests.
Hey, shut the door.
They were parked properly.
That's not the problem.
What's the problem?
Tags are expired.
What? That doesn't mean shit.
That does mean shit.
No, it doesn't mean you can take it.
And I am too.
Yes,
It doesn't mean you can take it.
Yes,
Why?
it does.
No, get my car off of there.
Please.
No, you gotta pay to drop it.
Get my car off of there.
Why?
Dude, I'm not.
You fucking.
But what? No, but why? Why are you towing his car? That's illegal. It's illegal for you to do that. Why is he parking your car? Why is he parking your car? It's illegal. It's illegal for you to do that.
Don't do that.
You have a right to know why you're towing this.
I told you. I told you. I told you. Expired
You have a
tags.
right to know why you're towing it.
Expired tags.
No bullshit.
Not bullshit.
You can't just car for that.
Yes, I can.
No, you cannot.
Yes, I can. Because this is private property.
You're a piece of shit, you loser.
Oh, yeah? I'm the...
You're a piece of fucking shit. Get a fucking real job. You're a fucking piece of shit.
You're a fucking crackhead in a hotel, and you're calling me a loser? Yeah, all right, bitch. Oh, man. Another day at the office. Hey, someone do me a favor and call 911. Tell them to come to Days Inn off of US 1. I can't use my phone. Actually, I got the other phone. Hold on. No, he's cutting my hydraulic lines right now. Hey, we got a problem. He just got off my truck.
He just got off your truck?
Yep.
Okay. They're coming as fast as they can. Let me know if he goes a certain direction. If he starts walking away or running, you tell me that, okay?
He's driving.
He's driving? Okay.
He's driving.
He's driving?
Yep.
So he got his vehicle off the truck?
Yep. He cut all my hydraulic lines and my boom dropped.
Can you tell what direction he went?
No, I have no clue.
Okay. What kind of vehicle is it?
It's a blue Mercedes. I got him. He just hit a curb. I just made... Oh! I got him! Yep, he just fucking whacked a curb. His vehicle's fucked. He's headed southbound towards Ormond. Oh, he stopped in the median. Oh, he's fucked. He's dead. He's all done. He's all done. He fucking just smacked the curb. I got his ass.
Baby, I don't know what he cut, but it's all pouring
I know.
under your truck.
It's all. I'm on the phone with the police.
Okay, we are too.
I made him hit the curb because I tried to block him.
Yeah.
His car's fucked.
Right.